It's easy to watch someone else do it, but it's always another thing to do it yourself. You take your caramel and you just simply start to pull. And as you can see, my way of working is very simple because I think very often people spend too much time to make something, but at the end I see that you can spend less time, do it simple, but at the same time you will not lose the quality of the final product. Simplicity. This is the most complicated. In this class, what you're gonna learn is how to make any possible kind of rosé that you can imagine. Nuts, caramel, nougat, marzipan, everything, from start to finish. For me, it's taking years working alongside chefs across the world to develop the skills. And I'm trying to give you different options. Depends on your conditions, depends where you are, depends what you have. And you can take all of this within 10 weeks. So I'd have loved a class like this. I think it's important to be a professional and always develop your skills in different areas. To understand how to avoid mistake, you need sometimes to make mistake. I always say that any problem that comes is just because you don't know something. I think a class like this has never been done before, and I'm pretty happy with it. My name is Vladislav Panchenko, and this is Draželand.